In this video, I will walk you through the steps to set up Duo Two-Factor Authentication for your Embry-Riddle account. When using two-factor authentication, you will use a secondary device to verify your identity. The three methods to approve a login attempt are push notifications to mobile devices, phone calls, or passcodes. When you reach this page, click the Start Setup button to begin. On this step, choose the device you want to set up. We recommend using your mobile phone because it will provide the best experience. Using the Duo mobile app on your mobile phone will allow you to receive a push notification that you can easily approve. In a case where internet access is unavailable, you can choose to receive a phone call to your mobile device, or the app can generate a 6-digit passcode you can use instead. Alternatively, you can set up a tablet to use the Duo mobile app, or you can set up a landline to receive a phone call. The last option is to get a token from IT that will generate a 6-digit passcode. In this demonstration, we will set up a mobile phone to receive push notifications. After you've selected mobile phone, click the Continue button to move on. Enter the phone number of your mobile phone into the text field. Confirm that the number is correct by clicking the checkbox next to the number below the text field. Once confirmed, click the Continue button. Now identify the type of mobile device you are using. Once selected, click the Continue button. This step will require you to download the Duo mobile app to your mobile phone. Open your App Store and search for Duo Mobile. Make sure you have the correct app and not one with a similar name. The app can be easily identified by its green and white logo that says Duo. Once it is installed on your device, click the I have Duo Mobile installed button on your computer screen. This step requires you to open the Duo Mobile app on your phone. Push the plus button and point your camera towards the QR code on your computer screen. Once the Duo Mobile app has successfully read the QR code, a green check will appear and you can click the Continue button. On this screen, choose the action that should take place when you log into ERNI. Once you've decided on an action, click the Continue to Log In button to move on. You've completed setup of two-factor authentication with your Embry-Riddle account. Whenever you log into ERNI or another Embry-Riddle application, you'll be prompted with this page to complete the two-factor authentication process. At this time, you can click the button to send a push notification to your phone to test your two-factor authentication. When you receive the notification, you will be able to accept the request for your login attempt. If you ever receive a push notification without trying to log in, deny the request and reset your password as soon as possible. This means that someone knows your password and is trying to access your Embry-Riddle account.